How to create WhatsApp web shortcut on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to create web shortcut on Google Chrome. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Google Chrome on your device. Click on Windows search bar and type in web.whatsapp.com. Now press enter on your keyboard. Then you will reach on the section. Wait a while until all this information gets fully loaded. Click on three dots at top right. Now navigate to the option of Cast, Save and Share. Click on Create Shortcut from this menu and here you can easily write a name, for example, WhatsApp only, and then click on Create button. And once you have done that, you can easily place this on your desktop. Right click on it and look for the option of adding on the desktop site. So when you close this window, you can easily see that we have successfully created our desktop shortcut. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.